We are going to make puris, and this is kind of an Indian bread which is soft and fluffy and round. And for that, first we need to make a dough, and for best results you can just keep it covered for like 45 minutes or so. So we have already done that. We have made small balls out of it, and we have rolled them, and now we are going to put these in the oil, and then they are going to come out soft. Today we are going to make a vegetable with potato and cauliflower that is called aloo gobi in Hindi, and we also need a sweet with it. So today we are going to make a halwa, that is a porridge with semolina. Basically every household has a different taste and a different way of making puris. Some of them also make it stuffed. You can mix any kind of stuffing inside this, like any potato stuffing, any lentils stuffing, anything you like, and that also tastes equally good. So we are all vegetarians, and especially when we are cooking on festivals, it has to be pure vegetarian.
Oil, jeera.
So we have just added some cumin seeds in the oil. We are going to let it sizzle for some few seconds. So once it crackles up, then we are going to add in more of the spices. Now this is hing or asafoetida. Some chopped ginger. Give it a good stir. A bit of turmeric powder, haldi
powder, mirchi powder,
red chili powder. You can add according to your taste the chili powder.
green chili,
some chopped green chilies. You can make it as spicy as you like. And salt to taste.
Salt.
We just let all this cook for some time.
Tomato.
We just added some tomatoes. Then we'll be adding the potatoes and the cauliflower. Just give them a mix so that all the spices get coated in the vegetables.
Amchur powder.
Dried mango powder. It gives us a little tangy taste.
इसमें
10 minutes or so maybe.
Yeah.
Indian food is not complete without any sweet things, and this probably is very common because all the ingredients we keep at home. Halwa is somehow more or less you can't change recipe, only a slight bit. This is that in dry fruits you can put raisins, you can put cashew nuts, or almond is the best thing, and apart from that I don't think you can change much, because halwa, if you go and even Google will say right thing, that it is semolina, ghee, and basic things are water and sugar, these four things. So we start with semolina always at home, and we take bit of butter ghee. It's called ghee but sort of unsalted butter. We just put, and we just with butter just sort of shallow fry, and once this is ready, then you can put any dry fruits like, and I had put just little almonds. This is one preparation here, and she is bringing there, and you can see this is like in water we put sugar and we put little of saffron if you want to see. But the proportion I will tell you, I took this katori, we call it, but dish, then you put half a katori butter and do shallow fry, and 4 times water and 1.5 times sugar. Every Indian household will know how to make halwa.